Hi. So, over the past few years, a lot of you have been following mine and Carrie's journey with the Levi Group in real estate, and you've seen us make changes and you've seen us grow. 2024 for the Levi Group was a spectacular year. We doubled our production, we got multiple accolades, we got the President's Circle Award, which is multiple levels up compared to 2023 of what we got back then. We also hit the top 50 in Northern Colorado out of thousands of agents. And we just found out that our team was number 13 in the entire country in Coldwell Banker. As we grow, there are different needs that need to be met by the brokerage. CB has been our home for the last 2 years, and we love everyone there and we love the company, but we've decided that it's time to say goodbye. Before I tell you where we're going, I'd like you to watch this little snippet of an interview that I conducted just a couple of days ago.
Hey, Tamir, how's it going?
Hey, Jason. I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for joining us. It's a real treat because there's not many CEOs of companies that would be willing to just get on a Zoom call and be interviewed by someone that just joined the company.
At the end of the day, I work for you, so obviously I have to show up.
Awesome. So why did you start Real Broker?
So we started Real back in 2014, 11 years ago. I came from a mix of technology background and real estate experience, and I knew that I wanted to do something with technology in the real estate space just because it was lagging behind when it comes to innovation. And I also, throughout my career, I worked with so many amazing real estate agents, and I felt like agents were underserved, they deserved better, and I just wanted to dedicate the rest of my life for making agents' lives better. And that was the reason why we embarked on this journey.
Yeah, I love that. It's there's a lot of technology happening in the industry, but a lot of the sectors are trying to cut the agent out with the technology.
Right.
And I love your approach of embracing the agent. What are some of the core values of Real?
We have a few core values, but I think that the biggest one is work hard, be kind. We believe in working hard. We believe in being a small and efficient team, very lean team, with a big output and impact. But we also believe in being kind, in smiling to people, in doing the right thing, in not cutting corners, in looking at the humans that we're interacting with and building a business with, at our partners, our agents. So I think that kindness is something that is leading here, and that's part of our DNA, even though it's a little bit unusual for a business to lead with kindness. In addition to that, we're trying to make a difference. We're trying to make a difference in the industry, in people's lives, obviously in the agents' lives as well. But I would say that the main things are just the kindness and doing the right things all the time, and taking the high road and not taking any shortcuts, and believing in long-term planning.
Awesome. So with our teams joining Real, what can our clients expect in this transition when they come back for repeat business? What can they expect from Real?
I think that your clients should expect the same level of personal service and connection that they are used to, because the individuals, the humans, are still staying in place. I think that what we provide is more efficiency. So we free up more time for you and your agents to deal with those or nurture those human relationships that are so important in our business. And on top of that, we are building technology to make the home buying and home selling experience much smoother, more transparent, and more efficient for them. So throughout the years from now moving forward, you will see continuous advancement in technology, also integrating AI and some other things that will just make the transaction smoother and much more enjoyable. Because right now, we have to face it, in the industry in general, and I don't know, your clients are probably having a different experience, but generally buying a home is not a great experience. It's full of friction. There's a lot of anxiety that builds up. There's a lack of transparency, and we want to eliminate that and just make it amazing. So I think that this is what your clients should expect, alongside having that trusted advisor, that human, and with that human connection that they're used to.
what would you say to the agents watching this video who are curious, what is in it for the agent that decides to explore joining Real?
Maybe I'll kind of change the angle of the question, because we are asking our agents, why did you join Real? And we get the same answers. And it starts with the freedom and flexibility that we offer our agents in building their businesses, because we don't dictate anything. We think that you know best what is best for your business. You can brand yourself the way you think is best for you. So there's a lot of freedom and flexibility, and we look at ourselves as a platform for agents to grow their businesses on. That's number one. Number two, obviously, compelling economics. At the end of the day, an agent will end up saving money by coming to Real in 99% of the cases. And then it continues with the technology that we provide that just helps you save time, make more money, and also save money on like third-party tools. And then probably the biggest piece is the culture. We managed to build a culture of collaboration over competition, and we is bigger than me. And there are just amazing agents within the company that just want to support and contribute. And when you join the company, you all of a sudden get access to this knowledge and that amazing community that you didn't have access to before. So I would say that aside from the compelling economics, it's the amazing culture and the opportunities that we have. You can earn money through participating in revenue share or our equity program or title joint ventures. So we constantly try to find more ways for our agents to maximize their earnings and just make this real estate journey much more enjoyable for them.
Everything you've said is really epitomizing why we've moved over to Real. Thank you for everything that you've created. We look forward to working together and carrying the Real brand alongside the Levi Group brand. And I think we're going to do some great things together.
Yeah, looking forward to it. And I appreciate your partnership. Every time a team joins or a solo agent joins us, for me, it's pretty amazing, because every morning when you wake up, you have a choice. There are so many amazing brokerages out there. And the fact that our agents choose us, that's humbling to me. And it happens every morning.
That's amazing. I love people who are humble.
Okay, Jason, appreciate it.
Thank you for your time, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that. And I just wanted to go over with you the top 3 reasons why we decided to make this move to Real. First one is the platform and then technology. Real have really done a great job in streamlining the real estate transaction. Frankly, it's been broken for a long time, and they're really doing well in fixing and making the transaction seamless and a lot smoother. But they're also not trying to cut out the realtor. They're actually taking care of us and embracing us. The second reason is the culture. You know, we made the move already a couple of weeks ago, and it's been overwhelming, the amount of support that we've received from other Real agents from across the country. People that I don't know at all have reached out and asked how they can help in our onboarding and help us settle down and get to work in selling houses. And the third one and last one is really Real are allowing us to keep more of our compensation. And that is super important as our team grows to this size. Allowing us to keep our compensation or more of it helps us to put more money back into the team, into our team members and employees, and really help our families flourish more. And that's super important. Okay, guys, it's official. The Levi Group has moved to Real. Keep following our journey. We'll see you soon.